here. Okay, I want to go over 3 different number addition because there are a couple pages in the workbook that I have assigned that are 3 number addition. So I want to do a few examples with you, and then we can do the 2 pages in the book together, just in case it is confusing. So to start out, I want to do it on this. We are going to do 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals. So this is what it looks like. We'll do it with goldfish. I cannot figure out this camera. So say one person has 3 goldfish. One person has 2 goldfish. And the other person has how many? 1 goldfish. We have to add all of them together. So 3 goldfish plus 2 goldfish plus 1 goldfish equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means our answer up here is 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. I don't know where my eraser is. All right, so it really helps when we draw a picture. So if you have some scrap paper that you want to get with you, that'll help as well. So let's do one like this problem. They are throwing darts. They're playing a game. One person lands on the center, the other one lands on the other number, and the other one lands out here. So if we're going to do a problem like that, we can draw our dartboard. One goes here, one goes here, one goes here. The center is worth 3 points. I lied. I don't want to do that. The center is worth 4 points. This little guy here is worth 3, and out here is only worth 1. Okay, so one lands on 1, one lands on 3, and one lands on 4. And we have to figure out how many points altogether the friends earned. So our equation would be 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals. Doing this is kind of hard if you don't have a visual. Visuals always help us. So we can do 2 things. One, you can draw 4 dots down here. 3 and 1. Then we can count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer would be 8. 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals, you say it, 8. Now we have one. Let's look at our book. Okay, it is page 28. In the book, we have to look at the 3 different darts and see where they landed. We have one that landed in the center, and that's worth how much? 5. This is 3, and another person got 2. The first thing we have to do is write our equation down here. So the first number is 5. You put a 5 there. Then it has plus, what's our other number? This dart landed on the 3. So then you would put 3 there. Plus this number is 2. So let's do our first way. I know that I said there's another way to do it as well. Okay, so the first way is to then draw a picture. So you can get your scrap paper, and I want you to draw 5 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3 dots. 1, 2, 3, and 2 dots. Now we have to add all of these together, so we need to count them all up. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we would say 5 plus 3 plus 2 equals 10. Our second way to do this is through touch math, which I know is easier for some, not others. You can do it both ways. But if we were going to do it touch math way, you draw the dots on the numbers, okay? And then you would just count the dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our answer is still 10. Now we have girls playing basketball, and there is a missing number. So this is how I would do this. So looking at that equation, it is 3 plus 2 plus something else. That's what we're trying to find out, equals 8. So how I would do it is with the number line at the bottom of this page. There's a number line down here. Okay, there's our number line. So we can start at 3. We're going to start here. So you put a circle around 3. We've done this before with the number line. You jump 2. So 1, 2. This is 5. We're here. Then we have to get to 8. We have to find out how many jumps we make to get to 8. So count with me as I jump. We go 1, 2, 3. And now we're at 8. So I know that she got 3 points. 3 points. So that's what you would put in there. That one is more confusing, especially because we haven't done subtraction yet. But if you want to do it a subtraction way, if that's easier, and I suggest you try it this way, we'll do different numbers together. But say we're playing basketball, and one person gets 2 points, the other person gets 4 points, and the other person, we don't know what they get. and we want our points to equal 9. This is what I would do. I would draw, I have to figure out first this equation. 2 plus 4 equals, and to do that I can draw my pictures, or you can do touch math. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6, and we have to get to 9. So if we were doing it on the number line, we could start at 6, and to get to 9, you go 1, 2, 3. And I could put my 3 in here. But if you wanted to do it in the way of subtraction, we have 9, and we have to figure out in between 6 and 9. So what we could do is draw 9 dots. We have 9 dots, that's our total. And we already have 6 of them, so I'm going to cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I look at how many are not crossed off. And I would have to then cross those off to get to 9. So I could go 1, 2, 3. And I know that my answer is 3. I hope that makes sense. It's super difficult to explain when I can't use these to show you. I have nowhere to put them. But do the best you can. If he has a hard time with it, just make a note of it. We're gonna work on it a lot, so just do the best that you can. I appreciate all that you do, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.